Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and discovering that most of the daily work can now be done by AI in just a few seconds. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the surprising part: AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also creating entirely new career that didn't even exist a few years ago. In today's video, we are going to explore 4 points. First one is which jobs are most likely to be replaced by AI. Second one, which career are usually becoming stronger. Third one, what skills you should learn today. Fourth one, how to future proof your career before it's too late. Trust me, by the end of the video, you will have much a clear idea of where the world is heading. Let's begin. Why AI is advancing so fast? Just a few years ago, AI could barely write a paragraph. Today, AI can write a code, create websites, generate video, design logos, analyze data, answer customer support questions, and in some cases, it can do these things faster than human. Companies love efficiency. If an AI can complete a task in 30 seconds, that normally takes an employee 30 minutes. Businesses are going to pay attention. That's why AI adoption is growing at an unbelievable speed. 10 jobs must at risk. Job 1 is data entry. Data entry is one of the most vulnerable jobs. AI can now extract information from documents automatically. What once took hours can now be complete in 1 minute. Job 2, basic customer support. Many companies already use AI chatbots. You have probably interested with the one without even realizing it. Job 3, telemarketing. AI voice systems can now hold realistic conversation. That means fewer repetitive calling jobs. And the fourth job is basic content writing. Simple articles, product descriptions, and social media captions can be generated instantly. Job 5th is translation. AI translation tools have improved dramatically. And the sixth job is bookkeeping. Routine accounting tasks are increasingly automated. And the job 7 is basic graphic design. AI image generator can create visual in seconds. I think all of you know that. And the 8th job is simple coding tasks. If you are a developer, this is one might shock developers actually. AI can now generate landing page, forms, component, APIs within a minute. I think most of you are taking help from the AI only. Maybe or may not be. Job 9 is scheduling assistant. AI can manage calendars and meeting automatically. And the last 10th job is research assistant. AI can summarize hundreds of pages faster than human. At this point, things sounds crazy. But here's what most people miss. Every major technological revolution created more opportunity than it destroyed. And AI is no different. And now I will tell you new jobs AI is creating. So let's discuss on that. AI prompt engineer. The first one is AI prompt engineer. People who know how to communicate effectively with AI are already being hired. And it's true. You can search in Google. AI automation specialist. Businesses need expert who can automate workflow. AI product manager. Companies need people who understand both technology and business. AI content creator. If you are using Instagram, you must know about these things. Creators using AI are producing content faster than ever. AI security expert. As AI grows, security becomes even more important. AI trainer. AI model leads human to improve, then refine them. AI application developer. This is where use opportunity exists. Developers who know how to combine coding with AI tools will dominate. What students should learn now? Let's discuss on this. If you are a student and you are watching this video, don't panic. Instead, focus on skills AI struggle with: problem solving, critical thinking, communication, creativity, and leadership. And if you are interested in tech, learn Python, AI tools, automation, web development, cloud computing. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI. So, will AI replace jobs? Yes, absolutely yes. Now, the another question is, will AI replace all jobs? And the answer is absolutely not. The real risk isn't AI replacing jobs. The real risk is people refusing to adapt. Every generation faces a technological shift. This is ours. The people who learn AI, we have a massive advantage over those who ignore it. So the question, so the question isn't, will AI take my job? The better question is, how can I use AI to become more valuable? Let me know in this comment. Do you think AI will replace software engineers? I would love to hear your thought. Please comment. If you enjoyed this video, you learn anything from the video, then make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. This is CodeTechAyush and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.